Good morning from a fresh and frosty January morning. Just been to a Federation of Small Business networking meeting at probably one of the more unique places I can think of. In my 12th year of building businesses, building business people, I've been to a lot of networking, usually at hotels or pubs or even at gyms. This one, as you can see, has an indoor bowls arena. Now, as a ex-northerner, I do prefer a bit of crown green over the flat stuff. However, really good venue actually, a good bunch of people, interesting talk, so a really good morning. And the beauty about it is, I live about 5 minutes that way, down this riverbank, over the bridge, and I'm right there, so it's probably the closest to home that I've ever been networking as well. So all in all, a good morning. Question for you, where is the most unique place you've been for a business networking meeting, or indeed a meeting in general? Answers below.